a biscuit. Now it's sunny. For the recipe, and then for me, a little vino. Ooh, that looks good. Okay, so we're getting ready for our St. Patrick's Day dinner, and look what hubby did. How cool is that? See what happens when you're married to a DJ? So he put these cool looking green lights. I just came down here and I was completely surprised. But isn't that cool? So we're getting there. Okay guys, everything is all pretty much set. I'm just baking some of the appetizers, getting everything looking good, feeling green. Got my little 4-leaf clover here, and now I just have to get my mom all ready, get her green on, and it's gonna be a lot of fun.
Each get our own. Are we ready?
Yeah, I think we are.
Can I go get my camera, honey?
Oh yeah.
OMG. Looks so good. My mom, I can hear her saying, "Oh no." Alright, it's Monday. Got done with doing some of my morning routine, and I am now headed out for my walk. Still doing the Walk 100 Miles Challenge. If you guys want to check out those videos, please do. I will leave the link down below. But just, this is my time to get out here and just get in touch with nature. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know. It's just my time away. And it gets me to just relax my mind and just take it all in. And just remember that, hey, Dee, there's life beyond the house. After the weekend at St. Patrick's. And, yeah, I ate a lot. We had a great time. So I need to definitely get out here and walk off the food. But I had a wonderful time. That I've ever seen. Bring me a dream. Make him the cutest that I've ever seen. Well, this was a much needed walk this morning. It is just gorgeous out here. It's supposed to rain though. No. But I need to get back and gotta get back into my routine, you guys. It's Monday. Time to do my planner, my menu plan, and get prepared for this upcoming week. The things that I find on this trail, see it?
Yep, you see it?
Okay, yeah, I can see now.
Hey guys, it is Wednesday and I'm here at the mall. I'm gonna do a little bit of walking, get some steps in, and also see what I can find for myself and just kind of zone out for a while. Okay, here, so I'm gonna check out, see what they have. Or I like this, but I don't like the blue. Oh my god, they have so much stuff. They have NYX down there. Wow. And I'm gonna take a peek. Then I'm gonna go to Nordstrom's. I didn't really find anything, but hey. Time to go back home, get to mom. Alright, that was fun. Hey, that was fun. I had some lunch, I walked around, I went to Pottery Barn, Williams, Sonoma, I went to Macy's, Nordstrom's, just trying to see what's in and what's happening. I got some ideas at Pottery Barn and Williams, Sonoma, but my goodness, everything is so darn expensive. So I didn't buy a thing, so yay me. But now I gotta make my way back. Well, this evening, took out my mom out for pizza. Now I'm just out here on a gorgeous walk in the evening. This is beautiful. Just trying to do my Walk 100 Miles challenge. I'll link that down below if you want to take a look at that. It's just beautiful here in the West Coast. It's on the breezy side though. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, it's on the breezy side. Okay, so it is about almost 8 o'clock and I'm sitting here on my bed and I'm just watching. I'm trying to catch up on YouTube, you guys. I am so trying to catch up. So if you guys can leave me in the comments down below of, you know, just some small YouTube channels that you guys are into watching right now. I'm just, you know, I don't know. I have been just trying out different channels and just meeting new people, and it's so cool. I just love YouTube. Oh my goodness. And I'm also still trying to catch up on all my friends on YouTube and my OGs. So that's kind of what I'm doing tonight. It's just kind of like a really low key after I took my walk and we took Mom out for pizza and everything. Husband's downstairs. He's watching his YouTube. Mom is watching her Entertainment Tonight. And I have about like maybe 15 more minutes and I'm going to wash my face and give myself a nice facial mask before I go downstairs. Look at this. I still have my green, woo, my St. Patty's Day nail polish. You guys, I have been relaxing. I have been trying to rest. It's been really hard trying to sleep at night. Mom is doing good. We just have a lot going on, and so husband is off, so I'm going to spend time with him this week. I also hired a caregiver for Saturday night, so we're going to go out on a date night on Saturday. And yes, so I have been relaxing. I know some of you guys will leave me some comments saying that, oh Dee, you need to take a vacation, Lynn. And, you know, and it's true. I just need some downtime, and that's what I have been doing. So I hope you guys understand. YouTube, gotta love it, man. Gotta love it. Jay went down to Best Buy, and we're gonna give this a shot. Nest, if any of you guys have this, let us know what you guys think of it.
That's what I think goes on the doorbell in the house, the ringer. Playing with the doorbell, that's exactly it. So I can find the circuit breaker to turn it off. See that, I turn off the whole house. Good luck.
Good luck.
May the force be with us.
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't touch the wires, just.
Oh my God.
All right, I'll put it back. Okay.
Okay. Oop! It just popped out. It's okay though.
Yeah, just push it.
Sorry, Mom. Helping the husband.
All right, try now. Did it work?
Oh. No, it didn't work. Sorry.
You mean the doorbell rang?
Yes.
Alright, try now.
It rang.
Alright, try that one.
It rang. This is what we're doing on a Friday.
Try that one.
It rang.
Try that one.
It rang. No, but hold on. Let me try it one more time just on to be safe.
Alright.
Bingo. That one didn't ring.
Okay, that's it.
Alright. Okay, so that is kind of what we're doing on a Friday. This week has been really just trying to catch up on just trying to get my taxes done. I hate doing taxes. But you know, I gotta do my mom's taxes and also for Social Security. If you're, you know, I'm looking over all of her paperwork. They're wanting to do, like, you have to let them know on a quarterly basis of, you know, what you're spending their money on. So it's kind of like an audit. So I'm kind of doing 3 things as I'm preparing for our taxes. So now I just have to call our tax prep guy and get that all ready. So I'm going to be done with everything this weekend. I'm also trying to put in a better organizing system for my paperwork, my receipts. I'm sure you guys probably don't want to see me sitting at the computers hours and hours and hours a day, which I felt like that's pretty much what I have been doing. It's a really nice day out there. I really would love to get a walk in, but I really need to get done with doing this. I'm on a roll, and when I'm on a roll, it's just like, let's just get this done. So I hired a caregiver for tomorrow night. So Jay and I will be having a date night tomorrow. So that's going to be pretty nice. So I'm looking forward to that. I'm looking forward for the weekend. I'm just trying to get this done while Jay's getting our doorbell done with Nest. And yeah, that's pretty much it.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you.